Hello bladers. Ever had that oh my g moment right after having a car wash and the rain suddenly pours down? Given our tropical climate, you know how tough it is to keep your car clean. While some folks never think much about it, a clean vehicle is actually a happier vehicle. Usual myths and general thinking of people are to take advantage of rainy days to have free car washes. If you are one of these, stop doing so as soon as possible because letting the rainwater clean your car is a very bad idea. First of all, remember that rain is not pure water or even regular water. As raindrops pile up contaminants and pollutants from the air during falling down from the sky, all these elements together could do harm to your car's coating and eventually lead to a rust. The water from rain might contain some elements which can harm your car in the future. It is pointless to expect your car could be thoroughly washed by the rain. Particularly, if your car has any cracks on its surface, rainwater can penetrate into these unprotected metal parts, leading to more serious rusting which would be more costly on your end instead of just getting a car wash. Additionally, the rain itself can't completely erase the existing grime and dirt from your car exterior. In fact, when the rainwater gets dry, it even becomes more difficult to clean those stains away from your car's coating. Over time, this will seriously destroy your car's overall finish, and significantly decrease the resale value of your car. Welcome to our daily drive, everyday tips for the everyday driver. The positive side of a rain wash. Can rain wash a vehicle? Why, yes indeed it can. The force of a good rainstorm has been known to rinse off stubborn pollen, stuck on bugs, and even bring a bit of shine back to that old, weathered paint. However, you're not going to be able to get off heavy road grime from the rain alone, so if you want to combine the best of both worlds, you can hand wash your car during a good sprinkle for maximum benefit. The negative side of a rain wash. If you live in an area of heavy smog and pollution, acid rain is something that you are probably well acquainted with. Just as much as acid rain can damage the earth, it can also damage your vehicle's paint over time. Once this type of rainwater gets on your vehicle, the acid concentrates itself on the paint as it dries. It is then reactivated every time the vehicle becomes wet, causing only further damage. In areas of high pollution, it is best to keep your vehicle out of the elements as much as possible. This is one time when a dirty vehicle is actually better off just staying that way. If you live in an area of high pollution, take your vehicle to the nearest eco-friendly car wash whenever it needs to be cleaned. If you are practical with your car washing schedule, you can minimize water usage, while also maximizing the life of your vehicle's paint. Do you agree with our list? Or did we miss some of the ideas had in mind? Comment down below so we can discuss it. We publish a new episode every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, so that you don't miss out on all of our new releases. For more driving and car care tips, visit us at www.blade.ph. Blade Auto Center. It's Blade, it's better. If you like this video, please share it with your friends on social media. Help us build more subscribers by spreading the word around. Click the round icon to subscribe and one of the videos on the left to watch our next feature. See you again soon.